Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a complete disaster. Clean with me. My kitchen is just in disarray. As you can see, there's stuff laid out. This is what happens when I do not take care of it at night. Sometimes I just like to hang out and relax, but this is what I have to deal with in the morning, so let's get started. When I have a big mess like this, I like to start off by just clearing the counters and going through and throwing away trash and just putting anything that I can away.
Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
I'm gonna start off by cleaning our kitchen table, and today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the honeysuckle scent. It just smells so fresh, and I love using it when it's a little bit warmer out. So I'm just going to be wiping the table down and getting rid of any crumbs or anything that's around this area.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna...
Whenever I'm doing a deeper clean, I like to turn the lights on our tree. It just will make the whole area look a lot nicer when I'm finished. So now I'm just going to continue putting things away on our island and just kind of get this whole area straightened up so I can move on to the next task, which is dishes.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark?
Usually I have a load to put away and a load to put in the dishwasher every day. So I'm going to start off by putting all the clean dishes away. A lot of these were still kind of wet. You're going to see me drying off some of these dishes. They don't always get super dry, but that's okay. I just will hand dry them.
Of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can.
Now onto the sink full of dishes. I like to wipe off most of my dirty dishes just with a little bit of soap and a sponge, just to make sure like any really big food items are off. That way it doesn't smell up the dishwasher. And then I am using this little sponge I got at the Dollar Tree. I think it came with like 7 of them, but they work pretty good. And for some reason, the summertime sponges are just so gross. I wanted to spend a little bit less money on sponges just during the summertime. So once the dishes are all loaded, I'm going to start it up and continue. Because the sink was full and really gross, especially overnight, I really want to scrub this down and make sure it's really clean. So I'm just going to scrub it down with some regular dish soap and get all the big food items and everything out of there. And then I'm going to take my Method anti-bac and just kind of spray this whole area down and let it sit for a little bit. So I'm going to add my Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser just to get it extra clean. The cream cleanser is one of my favorite cleaning products. I always make sure I have some around because I use it on my stove, on the sinks, just anywhere that's really, really greasy or just has a lot to it. It just does a wonderful job with polishing and making my sink look flawless. So next I'm going to be working on the stainless steel appliances, and I am using this new product to me by Real Simple, and it's the stainless steel cleaner, and this is my new favorite. It works so well on all of our stainless steel. It has kind of an oil residue to it, so I think that's why it's so shiny, but it makes our appliances look brand new. And on the oven, I'm just using my Method glass cleaner and then the Real Simple stainless steel cleaner on the rest of it. So onto our stovetop, I love using the Method degreaser. This has been my favorite since we've moved into this house, which is over a year ago, and it just really cleans up the stove really well. So for the inside of my microwave, I'm just using the glass cleaner by Method. It actually wasn't too bad, I just needed a quick wipe down. And then I'm using the Real Simple stainless steel cleaner on the outside. Now just for my countertops, I'm going to be wiping down with the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle and just kind of making sure all the crumbs and everything is wiped away.
I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong.
I love these little candle lights. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I think they come in a pack of 2, but they are really great to have just around your home. And then this little candle holder was from Target, and I believe it was $3. So what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Alright, so everything is clean on top. Now I need to work on the floor, so I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping. My vacuum is a Dyson V7 and my mop is just a Libman. I got it from Walmart. I just fill it up with Fabuloso and I just use the purple one. I've tried the blue one as well, but the purple one I think is the strongest scent. Let me know in the comments what you use on your floors. I am always trying new things and I would love to hear what you guys are using.
If you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
I always like to remind you guys what I'm starting with, so I'm gonna show you the before and then the after. I really hope this video gave you some motivation to get any area in your home cleaned up. Again, this is not a super normal thing for me. I usually try to clean at night, but it does happen once in a while and I have real messes to clean. If you're new here, I really hope that you stick around and hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.
I bet you think that I should calm down and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.